Hi YouTube! Today we're going to be doing a really simple, quick, easy Valentine's Day makeup look. No cut creases, nothing super intricate. We're just going to be doing a smoky wing liner and a red lip. So if you want to learn how to create this look, then please keep on watching and maybe subscribe. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime our eyelids. I don't use an eyeshadow primer, I just use concealer as eyeshadow primer just to get a really even base. That's how much I usually put. This concealer is pretty thin, it doesn't feel thick on the eyes. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Creamy Concealer, and I am wearing the shade Medium Dark 115 Warm. Now that that's all blended out, I just set it with some of my face powder. I was using the Estee Lauder Double Wear powder in the shade 3W1 Tawny. I just set it with that same brush that I blended it out with. And now you can either take your bronzer brush, like that really big brush that you use for blush and bronzer, or you can take a fluffy brush and just kind of put a bronzer type shade, like a warm brown, in your crease very messily. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm taking this very light brown color from my Morphe 3502 palette. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be using is some tape. This is like washi tape, so it's not very sticky, so it'll be nicer on your skin. Just rip off a piece and try to put it in an angle where you want your wing to be. If you know that you like your wings to go outward more, then try to slant it more like this. And if you think that for your eye shape it'll look better pointing up, then try to tape it like this. So for me, I do it different usually every time, but I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, so now that we've done the same thing on both eyes, try to get like a pretty dense pointed type brush and take either a dark brown or a black shade from whatever palette you want. I'm gonna be taking the 3502 again, and I'm just gonna start with brown instead of black, so I can do it quite messily, and then we'll go in with black to be a little bit more precise with a smaller brush than this. So I'm gonna take this chocolatey brown shade right here, this one. Do you see how that's creating a wing? Bring it all the way to the front, and then move on to a little bit of a darker brown, or you can move on straight to the black. I'm just gonna keep blending this. Okay, so now that I've done both eyes, I'm gonna take the black shade in the Morphe 39A palette right here. That's broken, unfortunately. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm taking quite a small brush this time. This is actually a lip brush, like for like your Cupid's bow, to be more precise with it. It's from Estee Lauder, so it's like the perfect size to do this. I'm taking the black shadow and just doing it very close to my lash line. And now with that bigger brush, we're just gonna kind of blend out the black and dark brown shades. Okay, now it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna take our tape off. Do not be discouraged if it doesn't look as sharp as you want it to, if the tape got all messed up. It's okay, because you can always take a makeup wipe or a Q-tip and just do it in the direction that you want it to. Wrap it around your finger, the makeup wipe, and just fix it up. It's not a big deal. So let's see. So if you have black eyeshadow or fallout or anything, it's okay, you could just wipe it off. That's why I choose to do my foundation after I do my wings, because then we can of course perfect the wing, and also you might have fallout from your eyeshadow. Basically I just have the makeup wipe and I wrap it around my finger like this. so I can get more precise with it. I actually have my fingernail right here, so that's even better. And now just wipe your face. All the fallout is gone. So now what I'm gonna do is my foundation, and then I'll be back. Okay, so sorry. So now that my face makeup is done, I just wanted to add a little thing to the eyes. I can't help myself. You can leave it the way it is, honestly, but I just wanted to elongate the front of the eye with just a little bit of black eyeshadow. You don't even have to put more. You can just use that brush that you used previously with the black eyeshadow and don't apply any more because there's still a little bit left on there. And just sort of drag it down. And then kind of attach it right here to that tear duct, usually where you would highlight. Kind of turn that into a smudgy cat eye. And keep on bringing that down. And just like that, you have a super easy cat eye. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just gonna apply some mascara. It's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. The last step in our look is the easiest. It's just gonna be the red lip. This one is from Sephora. It is the Sephora Rouge Matte. I don't see any specific number or color, but it's just a classic red. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys learned a few things, and I hope you guys wear this for your Valentine's Day date or for your Galentine's Day little hangout or whatever y'all are doing. Or just, like I said, for an everyday look, you can just lighten up the eyeliner or the eyeshadows and then wear like a nude lip or just a gloss. You can easily wear this as an everyday look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys very, 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 very soon. Bye. Also, please, if you do recreate this look, tag me on Instagram because that would make me so freaking happy. My Instagram will be down below in case you guys aren't following me already, which you should. Okay, bye.